Good afternoon and welcome back to Travels with Bert. We're still in Mae Hong Son, and today we're going to take a look at a couple of temples that are around the city. Actually, this one we'll classify as being above the city, as you'll see in a moment when we walk over there. It's called Wat Phra Doi Kong Mu, and every website that I looked at to get information about this place advised me that I really had to get here early, preferably at 6 a.m. I thought, me, 6 a.m., as if. Anyways, they said get here early because otherwise it will be thronging with tourists. Well, I have to assume that they all came yesterday and they're thronged out. Don't look now, but I think there's tourists. Now you'll see when we get to the end here why I said it's above Mae Hong Son. And you can also see here why I'm not flying a drone, because the airport runway is pretty much in the middle of the city. If you look straight down there, you can see the lake Chongkam where we were in the last video. If I move left a little bit, I think you could see the temple a bit better. Yeah, you can see the temple complex down there. And this is a great view of Mae Hong Son countryside. It's all mountains and forests. And temples, of course. Okay, this would be looking north, I think, where we should be heading tomorrow. I can just see the road down there, heading off through the hills. We have some quite challenging driving over the next few days as we continue around the Mae Hong Son loop. And it's 1,864 bends. Okay, the little one's not getting a look in. Let's give it a bit of TLC. And I suppose we should climb all the way up there to visit that building, but it's getting rather hot and we have one more place to go, so let's go back down the hill, see what else we can find. So this is Wat Hua Wiang, which many websites describe as a Burmese temple reminiscent of churches you find in Northern Europe. Well, I must have lived in the wrong Northern Europe, because I can't see that at all. It has a tiered roof, all made with teakwood. Yep, that I can see. Yes, I think it is quite large. I don't know what's inside here, or if we're allowed in. I guess there's only one way to find out. as usual, the ordination hall is locked, so I'm afraid we can't go in there. So many buildings, I can't figure which one we've been in and which one we haven't. I think this big one here we haven't been in, have we? Let's give that a try. Oh wow, another giant-sized building. And I don't think we've been in this one. Probably because it's locked. So we won't go in that one. Well, pretty impressive place, this one, I think, with a few surprises. But I still can't see the Northern Europe church. Never mind. Maybe you can. So I think that's it for our quick tour of northern Thailand temples in Mae Hong Son. They're certainly quite different than central and southern Thailand. So for now, I just have to remind you to... No, I'm not going to. You know what you have to do, don't you? And I'll say it's goodbye from Bert, and it's goodbye from me. Goodbye!